You said Covert.
She said Covert. Okay, let's sing now. What are we gonna sing?
What are we gonna sing? I don't know.
All
right,
let's figure it out. Hold on, guys.
Hold on. We must find song.
Un
Un
momento.
momento, por favor. Get out of my head. What the hell?
You're in my head.
Always up in the head, man. Always in it.
No, cool.
Always. Oh, let's sing that. I love Katy Perry. Okay, guys, we're going to sing Katy Perry's Hot and Cold.
I need the lyrics.
You do? Just pretend you know. Oh, goodness. That is not what I was... Hold on. Un momento. Oh, it's from here. There we go. There we go. Who is who? Okay, red hair, Lynn. Brown hair, Bobby.
Use the joystick and press enter.
She said, hi.
Jasmine.
Oh, I'm sorry, pink hair. Change your mind like a girl.